Angus, you gonna jump for me? Jump, jump, jump. Yeah. Jump, jump, jump. Yeah. Whoa, go crazy. Great jumping. I thought bed was for relaxing in. Jump, jump, jump. Good boy. What a workout. What a workout. Let's see your action. Let's see your jumping movement. The profile. Oh, yeah. Good work. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yes? Really? Is that true? Let's get a close-up of that face. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, okay. All right. Finish jumping now. Say bye-bye. You can say bye-bye. Bye-bye, fat camera. See you later. Oh, look at that face. Gorgeous boy. Jumping. Or pounce. Do you want to pounce? Show me how you pounce. Oh, that's jumping. 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 Where's Angus? Where's Angus? I can't see him. Where's Angus? He's hiding. Where is he? Oh, Mummy's sad. Angus is hiding. He's gone. Well, can I hear Angus? Can I hear him? Is he coming up? Is he going to... Oh, there's Angus. Oh, down again. Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Come back, Angus. Come back. Please come back. Peekaboo. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, well done. Good boy. Oh, down again. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye.